We will learn today determinants. Suppose you take a matrix A, B, C, D. A, B is the first row, C, D is the second row. Then the determinant we write it as two slashes and A, and we can sometimes we read it as, we have to read it as determinant A only. Don't read this as mod A. Determinant A equal to A into D, minus, this way always minus only, right? BC. Now let's take one example. Evaluate 2, 4 minus 1, 2. So how to write it now? 2 into 2 minus 1 into 4. So this 4 plus 4 gives 8. This is the value of this determinant. Now let's take second example. Evaluate determinant of x plus 1, x minus 1, x. How do you do this now? X into x minus x minus 1, x plus 1. So x into x square minus x square minus 1. So open the bracket now. X square minus x square plus 1. X square minus x square cancel, you will get 1. Third example. Evaluate determinant of sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta. So cross multiplication, sin into sin square, minus cos into minus cos theta, so it becomes plus cos square theta, and all of us know sin square plus cos square is 1. Now look at here, three different examples. One is a number example, this is an algebraic example, this is a trigonometric example. Now the last one, evaluate determinant of 3, 2, 6, 4, so we'll get here 0. So here in one determinant you are getting 0 and some other determinants are getting values. So wherever the determinant is 0, then A is called a singular matrix. If A is not 0, then it is called non-singular matrix. So here we have only one matrix is one determinant is singular, other all non-singular matrices. A is the matrix. Now find the determinant. 1, remove this column and row, then what is the matrix will get? We'll get 2 by 2 matrix. That is determinant of this. Minus 2, I told you second element you take always minus. Minus 2, remove this column and this row. What are the elements left out? Minus 1, 0, 4 and 0. We write here. Plus 4 into, remove this row and this column, you will get minus 1, 3, 4, 1. Very important, children. Any doubt is there, next day you ask me doubts. Now expanding this, already you know how to do the 2 by 2 determinant expansion. You will get minus 52 is the answer. Now there is one more example, I am doing it below this. A matrix is given, then he is asking us to show determinant of 2A equal to 4 times the determinant of A. How to do it? See, A is there. What is the determinant of A? 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3. That is minus 2. Then find out 2A. 2 into matrix. So 2 into this, all elements. Every element you multiply with 2. We get this. Then determinant of 2A is what? 2 into 8 minus 6 into 4. 16 minus 24 minus 8. Now what is asking us to show? Determinant of 2A. So what is the determinant of 2A? We got minus 8. 4 into determinant of A. 4 into determinant of A. What is the determinant of A? Minus 2. So 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Therefore, determinant of 2A is 4 times the determinant of A. Next, see another example. Find x if determinant of x to 18x equal to determinant of 6 to 186. Determinant, see, don't be tempted here 18 is same, x equal to 6, here x equal to 6. That is wrong. They are not matrices, they are determinants. Whenever determinants are there, you have to expand. X into x minus 18 into 2 equal to 6 into 6 minus 18 into 2. So x square minus 36 is equal to 36 minus 36. So x square minus 36 equal to 0, x square equal to 36, x equal to plus minus 6.